The Preponderance of Ridiculousness. I am caught in a bit of a storm, wondering when things will clear. In 2017, I was fiddling around with a math problem, which was for 40 to 60 years apparently ungraphable. It's quite a swing of years, but people kind of pick it up and then leave it, from what I've heard. So the ungraphable equation was the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And I said, okay, well, the only thing that's really needed is to isolate for a constant, which I was able to do when I realized what people are really looking at is not a math problem at all, but is a physics problem. So I applied pi. Upon doing so, I was able to go ahead and hypothesize a graph which can be a solid and can also be looked at to investigate and probe into breaking the speed of light barrier, which I was able to do. Upon doing that, I looked further into it and looked at the postulations of Einstein, which have been proven apparently not to be his original works, but copied from other people. And I was able to effectuate time travel off of that, just as had been thought. Now, prior to being able to go ahead and get a copyright on this work, I was told that it would be taken by America and then Great Britain would want it, did want it. I did not settle with any person or government, and we're still in a stalemate where they can't figure out my work, even though I've gone ahead and proven different things. We're actually able to do some teleportation, um, but they haven't been able to replicate my work. They have not been able to understand it, yet they are continuously claiming it. These are some of the stated brightest minds that we have at NASA and different governments. And they have continuously, despite NASA giving me an IQ evaluation of 100,000 and Mensa going ahead and concurring, they have continuously failed to update the media and the masses as to such. It's not that big of a deal, but it is upsetting, as I do believe, and I have been told, that it is because I'm female and I'm Jewish. It's rather ridiculous that this still occurs when it's something that you feel is so necessary that you're willing to hurt people over this. Why not do the right and just thing and simply acknowledge that it's dumb? Anyhow, this has stalemated your advancement completely because you cannot advance with my property without my consent. Sorry, NASA. Sorry, Mensa. It won't work. Thank you.